soon as that weather turns warm, bees go crazy. All the hives are active. Go bees, go! This one's extremely active. Yesterday when I was faffing about, I actually noticed I've got a bee around my head. I've been a bit attacky. Just doesn't sting me. There's a little flower. Yeah, I noticed yesterday when I was messing about with that hive, the bees are actually all the way across to both doors now. They're at both porches. So that is one full box. You think the size of that hive, and that's 4 frames or off the being a completely full hive. And it is packed full of bees. Millions. They love it. Big palace.